So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up or look at your contact lists. So we have Contact Smart List here. All of your contacts will be in this list. If you have files, if you have tons of contacts, emails laying around just in different places, you can either import them as a file, a CSV file through Excel. So you just hit import contacts and just select the file, or you can import them each individually. And when you import them, you can tag them based on however you want to tag them for your business. To create a smart contact list, which is where, let's say you have all your contacts, but you want one list that is sawmill services and one that's table builds. You would come in here and click on the names you want, click on this plus sign, and you would create your smart list. Oh, we have to. So let's say I click on a filter. Now our filters, this is going to show the tag we want to segment here, or it's going to show the campaign, whatever it is you're looking for, it's going to be in here. So you come over to the X, and let's say we want to look at tag. Tag is, and then click this drop-down box, say sawmill services. All right, everyone that has that tag is going to pull up. So you'd go ahead and click this box, that would select everyone. And you go to this plus sign, name your list, whatever you'd like to name it. And there you go. So now when you come in, you can look at all your contacts, or you can look at whatever segmented list you have. So you can make endless lists, endless options. And don't forget, you can always search your tags, your services, who's in a campaign. You can even search who's in which stage over here in your filter.